All right, I've got this Click-branded solar gutter light, and it has been flickering and not working very well. It's motion activated. It's got two, there we go, it's flickering now. It's got two options, always on or the motion sensor option. Yeah, it's not happy at all. So in true DIY style, I'm going to crack it open and see what bits there are and see what I can reuse and make something of it. Well, what do we have here? We have a single, by the looks of it, an 18650 lithium ion cell. So that's useful to have. We have an LED strip, and we have a circuit board for the PIR sensor. And this looks to be like the switch. So yeah, this 18650 cell will be useful to have, so I'll keep that. Keep the LED strip, and the solar panel underneath will be useful as well. So let's take it all apart and see what we can salvage.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the switch, which also looks to be like a simple solar charge controller, because this solar panel leads, a bit of hot glue there, are coming into it. This is definitely going to be useful to have. What can we find out about it? Well, it must run off a 3.7 volts. Is there a boost converter in here? I don't know. And we have a single 18650 cell, 1200 milliamp hours, so pretty small, and it's a flat top. And I have no idea how I'm going to get this solar panel out. And this battery case looks to be molded plastic, so you can't get that out.
4 moments later.
Okay, I snipped the cables. Yeah, this is totally fused or 3D printed. There's no way of getting it out. There's no other screws or anything. But I can use this solar panel because it's enclosed. I shouldn't have stepped so close, but I can kind of strip the wire there and make it a little bit longer there and there and use it like that. Can build something in there. And yeah, this is a solar charge controller, because if I zoom in close, I've got S negative, S plus, then we've got the battery terminals, and one going to the LED for load or so. Yeah, useful device. So I'll keep that for something. And then we have the PIR sensor, which goes into there. But all nice, useful components. This is worth the most out of everything, I think. I'm just going to double check the price of it and let you know. Okay, I checked my PowerPass app, and this gutter light costs $17.10 with my 5% discount. So it seems just about right for all these components, including this battery. But yeah, all right. Well, if you've got any ideas as to what I can build with these salvage parts, let me know. And now we know what's inside a Click gutter light from Bunnings.
72 hours later.
So we've now fast forwarded a few days, and I've turned one component of the salvaged Bunnings solar gutter light Click branded. And of course, that would have to be the battery inside. So what I've done is I've made a really, really compact and basic 1S pack. Let's break this down. So there's not even a case. It's just, well, there is a case for the battery, it's a holder. But what we have here is we have the TP4056 with built-in protection. So there's separate pads for the battery and separate pads for the load. And the load is a MT3608 boost converter. So I'm just boosting the battery output to 5 volts, and the 5-volt out is simply a USB female plug, so we can charge a phone. And to change that to 5 volts, I use this trim pot here, put a multimeter on it, and I've also attached a green LED with a 1K resistor, so we know that it's on. And we just have a little 1 amp switch to turn the boost converter on and off, because we just don't want it sitting there draining battery when it's not being used. And the TP4056 has a built-in charging light, and it goes blue when it's finished. So there we go, how compact and repurposed and all the awesomeness is that. I've put cable ties around it because I wanted to basically secure the fly lead for the USB. I didn't want it to be yanked out like that. Again, I'm probably going to use this to power some really low power 5-volt LED lights around my SCADA's IKEA pegboard, because that only has a 3 AA or 3 AAA pack, but it's got USB, so I'm going to use this to power it, which is great because I can recharge it, not to keep buying AA or AAA batteries. And there we have it. So that was part 1 of repurposing the solar gutter light. In part 2, I'm not sure yet, but we could be using the LED light and we could be using the motion sensor. Not quite sure yet. We'll think about that. Of course, we've also got the solar panel up there. And just a final clip to show you that charging is complete. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.